Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is changing how we think about money. Uniswap is a key player in this revolution. It's a decentralized exchange built on the Ethereum blockchain. Unlike traditional exchanges, Uniswap lets users trade cryptocurrencies directly without intermediaries. This creates a more open and accessible financial system. Uniswap has become incredibly popular in the DeFi space. It boasts high trading volume and a wide variety of listed tokens. This success highlights the growing demand for decentralized alternatives in finance. Uniswap is a testament to the power of blockchain technology. It's shaping the future of finance by empowering individuals and fostering innovation. Uniswap utilizes an innovative model called automated market making. Instead of traditional order books, it uses liquidity pools. These pools are filled with funds from users called liquidity providers. Liquidity providers deposit equal values of 2 tokens into a pool and earn fees on trades. When someone trades on Uniswap, they are not buying from or selling to another person. Instead, they are interacting with the liquidity pool. The AMM automatically determines the price based on a mathematical formula. This ensures that there's always liquidity available for trading. The more liquidity a pool has, the less impact trades have on the price, making it more stable. Uniswap has undergone several upgrades since its launch, each introducing significant improvements. Uniswap v1, launched in 2018, pioneered the AMM model. Uniswap v2, released in 2020, brought increased flexibility and new features like flash swaps. These allowed users to borrow and trade assets within a single transaction. Uniswap v3, the latest version, launched in 2021, focuses on capital efficiency. It lets liquidity providers concentrate their funds within specific price ranges, maximizing returns. This innovation allows for greater liquidity depth and reduces slippage for traders. Each version of Uniswap demonstrates a commitment to constant innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in DeFi. Uniswap's influence now extends beyond Ethereum. It has been deployed on other blockchains like Polygon, Optimism, and Arbitrum. This expansion allows users to benefit from faster transaction speeds and lower fees. These deployments highlight the platform's commitment to accessibility and scalability. Security is paramount in the DeFi space. Uniswap has a strong track record, with no major security breaches to date. The platform's open-source code undergoes constant audits and scrutiny from the community. This transparency helps ensure its robustness and reliability. Uniswap's commitment to security is crucial for building trust and driving further adoption in the DeFi ecosystem.